Here I will demonstrate if we really need to create business partner master data before creating customer and vendor master, or we can directly create customer master and vendor master and then partner master data is automatically created. So I will demonstrate this in this lecture, and we will see in SAP S/4HANA whether we really need to create business partner master data and then customer master and vendor master by extending that business partner. So uh, this is the question asked most of the time, and I will show this to you in SAP S/4HANA. What are the options in the system? So I am in SAP S/4HANA system and I will go to the transaction code BP. And here we are. So click on the new organization button and you will notice that by default the business partner general BP role has been appeared. Now the question is whether we need to create business partner general data first or we can actually go to BP role customer, which is FLCU00. So click on it and see what happens. Just remember I haven't created any business partner master data yet. So there is a dialog box which you can read. Do you want to create business partner in BP role FI customer or do you want to save it first in BP role business partner general and then change it? Data already entered is not saved during creation. So here is the answer that system is already asking you itself whether you want to create BP master data first, save it, and then extend it into customer master or vendor master, or you want to create business partner in BP role as FI customer first. So let's say I want to create FI customer directly without creating the business partner. What happens? The business partner master data will automatically be created. So let's see that. So I will click on create button and grouping. Yeah, that's the right grouping. Z is Z1 and enter the title company and let's say it is Sheffield Motors and search term one is Sheffield and just put Sheffield Road and any number like 99 and postcode could be SH00 and XX. City can be Sheffield itself and country is GB, and further you can enter the language which is English and see if there is any information mandatory to enter in any of the tabs. If not, then you can proceed to company code data. Click on it and here we will enter our company code AZ01. Press enter. Alright, so just enter the reconciliation account and that is 140,000. Press enter and see if there is any other information which is mandatory. Otherwise, you can go to general data to see if it is picking our account group correctly. So ZC01 is the correct account group. Click checkbox to see if there are any errors. So data of business partner is error free. Just click save and see what happens, whether the customer and business partner will be created together. And yes, of course, So you see business partner 112 has been created. And what about the customer master? So click on company code data and see the customer is also created. So this can save our time. We don't have to create business partner and customer in two steps. We can do it in one step, which I have just showed you. So we can also say that transaction code BP can also be used directly to create FI customer and FI vendors. And business partner master data can also be automatically created.